What's your name? Sarah. Oh, Sarah. Sarah from Manoli class, Margam. Congratulations. Yes, good catch. With that, we come to the end of round 2 of Rescue Fire Services Quiz 2015, and here are the scores. At the end of round 2, the scores are: in the joint 4th place is Team Munch, the girls Team Munch and Team Milky Bar, gives score 10 each. And leading at the end of round 2 is Alpino and Kit Kat with 20 points. Let's have a round of applause for Team Alpino and Kit Kat. You got 30 points. You got 13 points. Okay. So you're second and you're first. Sorry about that. You're pretty correct. Okay. So the next question, the next round is called Literature. It's a round on authors. Little difficult. Okay, little difficult, that's one thing. Okay, and so the buzzer, plus 10 for a correct answer, minus 5 for wrong answer, or no answer. Okay? Audience get to choose A, B, C, D, E. Audience, what's your choice? B. Own brand. You have to rearrange and get the name of somebody. Alpino. Dan Brown is absolutely correct. You get 10 points, Alpino. Okay, the next question is, who's choosing the question? Okay, A. Hate is tragic. Hate is tragic. Who's that? Kit Kat. Agatha Christie. Super answer. 10 points. Okay, the next question is E. Okay. Easy one. It is there on some of the notebooks. Eyeless words. You've seen the cover page of your inside cover of your notebook. Yeah, Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde is super answer. Milky Bar gets 10 points. Last question on the stage is D. Okay. C. Okay, C is difficult. Okay, they want C. All right, they want C. C for you. White Man's Energy. He wrote the novel for whom the bells tolled. For whom the bells tolled. This was difficult. You knew that. Okay. Anyone in the audience? There's. They have already Googled it. Okay. Okay, congratulations. She got it right without Googling. Congratulations. You don't have a mobile. And you're from Saraswat Vidyalaya, Mopsa. Congratulations. Okay. Last question. Okay. Some connection with Rabindranath Tagore. He introduced him to the West. His writings. Yeah, anyone in the audience? Yeah. Dr. B, it is absolutely correct. Congratulations. And you're from Mirandar High School, Kankom. I got the school name wrong. Anyway, congratulations. Bunch of chocolates to you. Congratulations. Okay, with that we come to the end of round 3 of Rescue Fire Services Quiz 2015. We're going to start with the next round. It's called Mangoingar, round on good personalities. We go from the clockwise direction. The question, there's going to be 3 clues. Okay, so the points will be 20, 10, 5. Okay, and if you make a mistake, it's it's not pass, it goes to audience. Is that okay? That's normal thing, right? 20, 10, 5. Alright, you get it too. Munch, the crunchiest ever. Right now.
E.
E for you. Okay, your first clue is his first job in Mumbai, a violinist in the group of the composer Naushad in 1943. If you get this right, you get 20 points.
Next clue.
Next clue. He taught R.D. Burman and Pyarlal Sharma and has worked with most of the legendary composers of the 50s and the 60s.
Okay, we have the last.
Okay, the last clue. As a tribute to his violin teacher, Pyarlal composed a song in his honor. The famous song. Pass. Okay, you could have attended. Okay. Okay, you can't guess. Okay, sir. Anthony Gonzalez is absolutely correct. The director of fire services get the first prize. Okay. For Mrs. Mann. Okay, congratulations. Alright, the next question is for Albino, and it is question number B for you. Okay, the first clue is while at the Gold Tribune, he wrote numerous articles against the Portuguese colonial regime in Goa and for the attention of both the Indian leaders as well as the Portuguese regime. No negative point, but it will, next clues, we are not going to get. Yeah. If you make a mistake, it goes to the audience. Next clue. He had taken a vow that he would marry only after the liberation of Goa from the colonial rule. Hence, he married on 29 December 1961, exactly 10 days after Goa's liberation. And the last clue is he authored several books, including Soaring Lies of My Land. His other great works include The First City in the Bomb of Soda, The Great Tragedy, and The Heartbreak Passage.
Lambert
Mascarenas is absolutely correct. You get 5 points. Okay, you get 5 points, Albino. You get your choice. A. He started at the University of Bombay's Department of Chemical Technology, where he obtained a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering in 1966 and a PhD in 1969. Next clue. On January 25, 2014, he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan.
Raghunath Mashelkar.
Raghunath Mashelkar is absolutely correct. You get 10 points. Superb answer. We'll keep out your choice. C. The first clue. After completing his schooling in Portuguese medium at the
Jack
license.
Sequeira.
Is absolutely correct. You get 20 points. Today we celebrate 100 years of his birth. Okay? Jack Sequeira. Okay, you can see the next two clues. Was the founder of the United Workers' Party. He played a pivotal role in convincing the government of India to hold an opinion poll to decide the issue of merger of Goa into the state of Maharashtra. Okay, that is the question on check this here. And last question to the audience. Okay, first clue is he obtained the post of professor at the Banaras Hindu University teaching German alongside mathematics and published his first research paper, Precession of an Elliptical Orbit, in the Indian Journal of Physics in 1930. Anyone? Any? Difficult? It's not difficult. We'll go to the next one. Okay. To honor him, Indian Post issued a commemorative stamp on 31st July 2008. Didi Goswami is absolutely correct. Congratulations. Purnima, I get your teacher from Saraswati. Okay, congratulations. The government of Goa has instituted the annual Festival of Ideas in 2008 to commemorate the birth centenary of this legendary son of the state. Okay, congratulations. And then we come to the end of round 4. One going out of Nestle Fire Services Quiz 2015 and other scores. At the end of round 4, in the 4th place, they are a little bit scared as Munch, the crunchiest ever with 10 points. In the 2nd place, in the 3rd place, this is very surprising. Hello. Very surprising. Alpino, you're on 35. Okay, in the 2nd place is Milky Bar with 40 points, and leading at the end of round 4 of Nestle Fire Services Quiz 2015 is Kit Kat with 50